Today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix a PS4 game. No, I mean PS3 game. As you can see, PS3. So what you wanna do is obviously you have to open the case. See, PS3 game. Okay. Now, get the hell out. Once you've got your disc, what you wanna do is put some washing liquid in it. After you've washed it off, you're gonna want to dry it. Okay. Yeah. Let me just dry it off for a second. Now, I want a fork. Just carve your name into it. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna be back. Just give me a second to wash it. Like you can see, it looks so nice. Okay. For around a while, it's gonna have to look like this. If it doesn't, you've clearly failed. Yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like. This is it. I threw it around a few times. This is what it's supposed to look like. Yeah. Obviously you're gonna want to straighten it out a little. There. Good as new. Ignore the top bits. Okay. Just ignore the top bits. Yeah. Okay. And the next video I'm gonna make is how to fix a Xbox. So make sure you tune in, subscribe, or James Charles is going to get you. Okay. Remember.